If you are searching for that perfect blend of luxury, beachfront paradise and authentic Mexican hospitality in Cabo San Lucas, the Sandos Finisterra Los Cabos might just be your dream destination. This 5-star all-inclusive resort sits in one of the most spectacular locations in all of Mexico, perched right where the Pacific Ocean meets the Sea of Cortez at the famous Land's End. Originally opened back in 1970 as the Finisterra Hotel, this property has been a landmark destination for celebrities and dignitaries for decades. After being acquired by the Sandos chain in 2021, the entire resort underwent a massive renovation that transformed it into the modern tropical paradise it is today. With 249 beautifully renovated rooms and suites, 7 dining venues, multiple pools, and direct access to Medano Beach, this resort promises an unforgettable Cabo experience. The contemporary tropical architecture features open-air spaces, dramatic infinity pools, and cliffside views that will take your breath away. Whether you are planning a romantic getaway, a family vacation, or just need to escape the everyday grind, Sandos Finisterra delivers that premium Cabo vibe without the stuffiness you might find at some other luxury resorts. Let me walk you through what makes this place special, starting with where you will actually be laying your head at night. The accommodations at Sandos Finisterra are spread across 14 different categories, giving you plenty of options depending on your budget and needs. Every single one of the 249 rooms and suites was completely renovated in late 2021, so you are getting fresh, modern spaces with all the bells and whistles. The entry-level superior rooms clock in at a comfortable 452 square feet and come with either a king bed or 2 queens, making them perfect for couples or small families. These rooms feature private balconies where you can sip your morning coffee while taking in ocean, pool, or garden views. Inside you will find marble bathrooms stocked with molten brown toiletries, a minibar that gets restocked daily with premium drinks and snacks, a coffee maker for those early risers, a safe for your valuables, air conditioning that actually works, complimentary Wi-Fi, and a 55-inch smart television. They even offer a pillow menu if you are particular about how you rest your head, plus plush bathrobes to lounge around in. These superior rooms can accommodate up to 4 people, making them a solid choice for families with a couple of kids. Step up to the deluxe rooms and you get an extra 65 square feet of space with a larger balcony, a luxurious rain shower in the bathroom, and a vanity mirror. Some of these deluxe units even feature swim-up access, meaning you can literally step from your patio right into the pool. If you need more space to spread out, the junior suites offer 646 square feet with a separate living area, a sofa bed for extra guests, and an espresso machine for the coffee snobs among us. The bathrooms in these suites feature deep soaking tubs perfect for unwinding after a day of adventure. The real showstoppers are the Finisterra suites, massive 969 square foot spaces with 1 or 2 bedrooms, separate dining areas, and panoramic Land's End views that will make your Instagram followers insanely jealous. These top-tier suites come with butler service and private check-in because sometimes you just want to feel fancy. Some even have rooftop terraces where you can watch the sunset with a cocktail in hand. For families traveling with kids, the family suites are absolute game changers. At 753 square feet with 2 bedrooms and a special bunk area designed just for the little ones, these suites come with themed kids amenities, an Xbox gaming console, and even air hockey tables. The kids will have their own space to play while the adults can actually relax. These family suites are part of the Sandos Play Family concept, which means extra perks and attention to detail for those traveling with children. Prices vary quite a bit depending on when you visit, with low season rates from May through October running around $300 to $500 per night, while high season from November through April can jump to $500 to $900 per night. Holiday periods will cost even more, but booking early or snagging one of their promotional deals can save you a significant chunk of change. Now let me tell you about the food situation, because when you are paying for all-inclusive, you want to know the dining is going to be worth it. Sandos Finisterra features 7 different restaurants and bars, all included in your stay with unlimited premium liquor and no reservation hassles for most venues. The crown jewel is Il Garda, their signature Italian fine dining restaurant that serves up incredible lobster ravioli, handmade fresh pasta, and tiramisu that will make you weep with joy. This elegant venue seats about 80 people and operates for dinner service from 6 to 10 in the evening. While reservations are recommended, especially during peak season, the dress code is just elegant casual, so no need to pack a tuxedo. They even host Italian Week monthly with special menus and wine pairings. For authentic Mexican flavors, head to Sabor, their Mexican fusion restaurant right on the beachfront. This vibrant spot serves lunch and dinner from noon until 10 and specializes in tacos al pastor, fresh ceviche, and rich mole sauces that showcase the best of Mexican cuisine. Taco Tuesdays are particularly popular here, with special varieties you will not find any other day of the week. The casual atmosphere means you can show up in your beach clothes and dig into some seriously good food. If you are craving Asian cuisine, Bensicanos delivers with sushi rolls, teppanyaki grills, and dim sum baskets. Open for dinner from 6 to 10, this 100-seat restaurant offers sushi nights with special rolls and presentations. Watching the chefs work the wok stations and prepare your meal is half the fun. For those who like variety and do not want to commit to one cuisine, La Riviera is the massive international buffet restaurant that serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner from 7 in the morning until 10 at night. With seating for 250 guests, this place rarely has a wait, and the spread is genuinely impressive. The omelet station at breakfast will make your eggs exactly how you want them, while the seafood grill at dinner brings in fresh catches daily. They rotate themed buffets throughout the week, including Mexican night, seafood night, and international night, so there's always something different to try. The Beach House Grill is perfect for those lazy beach days when you do not want to leave the sand. Open from 11 in the morning until 6 in the evening, this casual grill serves burgers, fresh salads, and grilled fish at tables where you can literally dig your toes in the sand. They host beach barbecues regularly with special grilled items and tropical drinks. Speaking of drinks, the Sky Bar on the rooftop is where you want to be for sunset. Open from 4 in the afternoon until midnight, this lounge serves creative cocktails and appetizers with infinity edge views that stretch forever. A DJ spins tracks during sunset hours, creating the perfect vibe for winding down your day. Finally, the pool bar offers swim-up service from 10 in the morning until 6 in the evening, meaning you never have to leave the water to grab another tropical drink or quick snack. The underwater bar stools are a fun touch that kids and adults both love. The pool and beach situation at Sandos Finisterra is honestly one of the best aspects of the entire resort. You have got 4 distinct pools to choose from depending on your mood and who you are traveling with. The main infinity pool is adults preferred, meaning it stays relatively calm and peaceful even during busy times. This massive pool covers about 1,200 square meters and ranges from 1.2 to 1.5 meters deep, with a swim-up bar built right in so you can order drinks without ever leaving the water. The infinity edge creates that dramatic visual effect where the pool seems to blend right into the ocean beyond. For families, there is a dedicated family pool complete with water slides that kids absolutely love and a shallow section for the little ones who are still getting comfortable in the water. Parents can relax on the surrounding loungers while keeping an eye on the kids as they play. If you are really looking for peace and quiet, the adults-only infinity pool is your sanctuary. This smaller, quieter pool attracts couples and solo travelers who want to read a book, take a nap, or just float around without beach balls flying at their heads. Up at the spa, there is even a 4th pool, a serene rooftop pool that is part of the wellness experience. All pools are open from 7 in the morning until 10 at night year-round, and towel service is included, so you do not need to drag your own towels from your room. The real star of the show, though, is the beach access. Sandos Finisterra sits right on Medano Beach, which happens to be the only swimmable public beach in Cabo San Lucas. This is a huge deal because many Cabo beaches have dangerous currents and undertows that make swimming impossible. Here you have got 300 meters of sandy beachfront where you can actually get in the water safely. The resort provides complimentary kayaks, paddleboards, and snorkeling equipment so you can explore the coastline at your own pace. If you want something more thrilling, banana boat rides are available for an additional fee. Beach waiters roam the sand taking drink and food orders, so you never have to leave your lounger if you do not want to. The palapas and beach loungers are first come, first served, which can be a bit competitive during peak season, but if you head down early, you will snag a good spot. The views from the beach looking toward Land's End and the famous El Arco rock formation are absolutely stunning, especially during sunset when the light turns everything golden. When it comes to activities beyond just lounging by the pool or beach, Sandos Finisterra keeps you busy if that is what you are after. The fitness center is surprisingly well equipped with modern cardio machines, free weights, a dedicated yoga studio, and even Peloton bikes for the cycling enthusiasts. The gym is open from 6 in the morning until 9 at night, giving you plenty of flexibility to work out whenever it fits your schedule. They offer complimentary group fitness classes including yoga sessions, aqua aerobics in the pool, and various other activities throughout the week. If you want more personalized attention, personal training sessions are available for an extra fee. Beyond the gym, the resort organizes weekly activities and entertainment that give you a taste of Mexican culture and keep things lively. Every evening at 8, the main plaza hosts live entertainment, which might be a fire show one night, traditional Mexican folklore dancing another night, or live music performances. These shows are genuinely entertaining and give you something to do after dinner besides just heading back to your room. For water enthusiasts, the complimentary kayaks and paddleboards let you explore the coastline and get some exercise while you are at it. Snorkeling gear is also free to use, and the waters around Medano Beach offer decent visibility for spotting tropical fish and maybe even sea turtles if you are lucky. The hotel can arrange excursions for more adventurous activities like whale watching during migration season, which typically runs from December through April. These tours cost extra, usually starting around $100 per person, but seeing humpback whales breaching in the wild is an unforgettable experience. Other popular excursions include sport fishing trips, sunset cruises, and visits to nearby attractions. The concierge desk can help you book any of these activities and will give you honest advice about which ones are worth your time and money. The Spa Finisterra is where you go when you need to completely disconnect and reset. This full-service spa features 10 treatment rooms where licensed therapists perform everything from Swedish massages to hot stone treatments to couples rituals designed for two. Their signature hot stone massage is particularly popular, using heated volcanic stones to release deep muscle tension while you drift off into complete relaxation. The spa also offers various facials using high-quality products, body wraps, and traditional temazcal ceremonies, which are ancient Mayan steam bath rituals meant to purify both body and spirit. Beyond the treatment rooms, the spa facilities include a sauna, steam room, hydrotherapy circuit with various water jets and temperature pools, a peaceful relaxation lounge, and a full-service beauty salon for haircuts, styling, manicures, and pedicures. The hydrotherapy circuit is particularly nice because you can use it even if you are not getting a treatment, making it a great way to unwind on a day when you just want to take it easy. The rooftop spa pool I mentioned earlier is part of this wellness area, offering a quiet place to float and reflect with incredible views. The spa is open from 9 in the morning until 8 in the evening, and you can book treatments through the resort's mobile app or by visiting the concierge desk. Prices for treatments are reasonable for a resort spa, though not exactly cheap. A 60-minute massage will typically run you around $100 to $150, while more elaborate treatments and packages cost more. That said, the quality of service is consistently high according to guest reviews, with therapists who actually know what they are doing and create a genuinely relaxing atmosphere. Many guests recommend booking your spa appointments early in your stay because popular time slots fill up quickly, especially during peak season. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.